Hey, welcome back. Appreciate you guys being here. Thank you so much. We know you want to do better with your career and sometimes even change your career. So, what we're going to talk about today is changing the career without starting over. The idea of changing careers and moving into a different industry could be very, very frightening. So much so that it often becomes a huge obstacle and we end up staying in the current position we are, even though many times we're unhappy where we're at. Rest assured, if you're interested in change, there are many tactics that you can employ without giving up your professional status. The tide has changed, and leaders are seeking potential as opposed to brawn, brains, and experience. We're going to talk about that, and here are some ideas. Start by believing in yourself, develop a potential-oriented strategy, and number 3, find opportunities where experience is a virtue. And so that's the kind of thing we're going to talk about. That's going to help you. If you're questioning your professional relevance, think again. So we want you to become better, and that's what we're going to talk about. One of the ways you can become better is checking out the website below, Clarusway.com. They're there to help. They're there to get you into a 6-figure income within 6 to 9 months. Check out Clarusway.com. They can help you.